So to start with, you need to create, set the SBA, and then you create subjects and assign them to the various teachers. So to set SBA, you go to settings, academics, and then SBA. So the score here is the raw score, and what percentage of the raw score should be taken into consideration. So assuming the class score is over 60, you take 50% out of it. Exam score is over 100, you take 50% out of it. And so that is how to set it. After getting your values, you click on submit. Then it is updated successfully. Then you can close this. And then you go ahead and create your subjects. And to create subjects, you go to settings, academics, subjects, add subjects. You have to create codes for all the subjects. So I'm going to create a code 001, and then this is 002, and then the subject name is mathematics, and then I'm assigning the subject to grade 6, and I'm assigning it to a teacher called Daniel Ado. So I'll click on add, and then it will add mathematics to grade 6. I can assign the subject mathematics to another teacher in another class, let's say grade 2. Let's say I'm assigning to Daniel Ado again. I can assign it to, so if this subject you have created is taught in all the classes, you can go ahead and assign it to the various teachers in all the classes before you move to the next subject. So after assigning mathematics, you can click on save, and then you are done. So you go to the next subject, 003, let's say creative arts, and then grade 6, I'll assign it to Daniel Ado. Then in grade 2, I'll assign it to another teacher. In grade, let's say 4, I'll assign it to another teacher. So if I'm done, click on save, and I move to the next subject. Let's say P. Then in grade 6, I'll assign it to Daniel. So if you have a class that is one teacher that teaches, so assign it to the same person, but it is subject teaching, assign it to that particular teacher that teaches the subjects. So assign it. So you see that in my list, I have English, Daniel Ado, mathematics, Daniel Ado, creative, Daniel Ado, Batri, and Estina. So that is how to create the subjects. So if I'm done, I click on save. Assuming there is change in teachers, and then you want to change the subject teacher for that particular class, you come to settings, academic, subject, change subject instructor. So you just select the subject, let's say P, and then the class grade 6, and then select the teacher, the new teacher you want to assign the subject, let's say Estabedu, and I click on change. So you see that the tree will be changed to Estabedu. When I'm done, I click on save. Assuming you want to delete or edit a subject, so all you have to do is to delete the subject and add it back with the correct name of the subject you want to change. So you go to settings, academic, subject, edit or delete. But you have only option to delete. So you search the subject. Let's say 001, and then click on search English language. Then you click on delete. Then the subject is deleted for you. Now, after creating all the subjects, you can come to reports, academics, subject list, and that will give you a list of the subjects that you have created and teachers that you have assigned them to. So there's the code, the subject name, teacher assigned. If you come to grade 6, you have mathematics, Daniel Ado, creative arts, Daniel Ado MP, Estabedu. So that will give you the lists of the subjects you have created for each class. and the teachers that you have assigned them to. So in our next video, once the SBA has been set and the subjects have been created, we are going to look at how to enter scores for these people.